The sixth and final type of quadrilateral we're going to learn about is called a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. This is the other quadrilateral that does not fit in the parallelogram family. The special relationship which you will want to know and memorize is that the median, which you will learn what piece that is equal to half times base 1 plus base 2. So let's learn about the different parts of a trapezoid. The parallel sides are called the bases. So this is a base and this is a base. My top and my bottom. So if you want to up here write top slash bottom so you can remember, you can. Then the non-parallel sides, so the only two non-parallel sides is this and this. This is called the legs. So here's one leg, here's the other leg. The angle formed by the base in one of the legs is called the base angle. So formed by the base in one of the legs. So this is a base angle, this is a base angle, this is a base angle, and this is a base angle. Then we have the segment that joins the midpoint of the legs. That's called the median, which is this piece in the middle. So when you think of median, you can think of like a median in the interstate. It's in the middle of the lanes, and so this would be in the very middle of the trapezoid. I want to note that the median is parallel to the bases. So the median, this base, and this base, all of those are parallel. And so what this is saying right here is that this median piece is equal to half of this base plus this base. You'll need that to solve later in the lesson. Now, we just talked about trapezoids. Now I want to talk about isosceles trapezoids. So in isosceles trapezoids, my legs are going to be congruent. And so remember, the legs are these side pieces, so this would be equal to this. Also, my base angles are going to be congruent as well. So up here we saw that these two were base angles. So this angle and this angle would be congruent. Also this angle would be congruent to this angle. So the two beside each other are always going to be the ones that are congruent. And then lastly, if we were to draw diagonals, then our diagonals would be congruent. So this diagonal, this whole thing, would be equal to this one.